I think what I wanted to say is, as an actor, somebody told me that you would be a wonderful actor.
She said that someone told her that you would be very good in movies, acting.
Because acting, I think people often think, is about pretending and lying. And for me, it's about being and really being. And you are the best person I could think of who is being.
가수도.
Being in the present moment.
Being in the present. And what I feel and what I kind of dread as an actor, because I often get cast in quite miserable parts, is that when you practice something and when you live with it, that's what you become. And we'll turn up for work and makeup and hair will be like, oh no, she's got an argument scene, because there's a part of you that's frustrated and prickly. And for me, you can't be someone, you can't be a character unless you can have empathy with them and with their choices. And that's part of storytelling for people, is to hear someone else's story, try and be empathic with it and compassionate for it in the best way you can, and evoke that in other people, so that when I hear you talk about practicing compassion, and I see how you're being when you are just in the presence of other people, what you bring out in us is the best version of ourselves. And if I was in the presence of a dictator, what he would bring out in me is fear. So thank you.
So good movies, not Hot Tub Time Machine.
그런 재미.
Moderation.
Moderation. The other actor, another actor here, what do you think about this? What do you think about what we're hearing here? I know that you were smiling when you were listening at Julia. Do you have a response or a question for His Holiness?
I would like to ask him a question just in terms of, it seems to me a lot of popular entertainment appeals to the worst in us, to our lowest impulses, and for those of us who would be trying to make either music or movies dealing with virtue and that appeals to what you speak about, compassion, love, peace, how to make this appealing to people so that movies and songs can be transformative rather than abase ourselves. If that's the right word.
So, question.
I think these, the general public, so to say, the 가서다, 가서되면 직선에. No, lifestyle. You see, our lifestyle, materialistic lifestyle, and this ultimately related with existing education system. I feel that. The education which very much oriented about material value. I think like those young children, that age, you see, I think human sort of basic nature basic quality, more so sense of sort of community. These young sort of these children, when they play together, it's so long, the other person, other children, smiling, showing more closeness feeling, then they don't care what religious belief, what color, what family background. But gradually we grown up, and education, since education not adequate about deeper our value, so that more attraction about material values. Then the generation who come through that kind of education, then gradually create materialistic life, materialistic culture. So then materialist culture is very much related with sensorial level experiences, seeing something nice, hearing just a nice music or like that, and touch, and smell, taste, and touch, including sexual. So then, naturally, most of the film, you see, related with sex, violence. So the viewer, they grown up that kind of life. So to such people, subject of compassion, these things, something not a usual sort of thing. Right? So not much sort of feeling. This, I think, mistake due to lack of experience, due to lack of knowledge, the mental level sort of satisfaction, mental level joyfulness. We, materialistic life, totally rely on sensorial level experiences. So we have to sort of change fundamental level through education. That's my view. Of course, not easy. Not easy. But once you see people have sort of deeper experience or deeper knowledge about different mental function, sensory level, mental level, then mental level, those destructive emotions come spontaneously. Those constructive emotion through training with the help of human intelligence. So eventually people have more deeper understanding and deeper experience. The audience, that kind of audience, then I think Kasoda, then I think their attitude may be different. But these are quite complicated. You see, we need long-term plan, long-term effort. I think the simple sort of question is, existing life, do you feel very sort of perfect, very good? And through that way, we can achieve happy humanity? I don't think. Material, highly developed, and education with education related with material value also is highly developed. But those people, materially billionaire, as a human being, I notice a very unhappy person. And on this planet, out of 7 billion, those people who really create trouble they also, you see, as far as modern education is concerned, they also quite well educated. So existing education is not adequate. So we have to think. So change our society's sort of, I mean, a peaceful society, very much related with education. So education now, I feel, key factor. I think the last few centuries, sort of rapid sort of transformation about our society because of education and the technology. So now education should be more complete form, taking care physical comfort as well as mental comfort combined because of the complete. Then the generation who come through that kind of education, I think more different because of that will be different. Then just I want you see to express, you mentioned the music or these things.
You spoke about the need for freedom, free expression.
I think very concept, freedom, liberty, democracy, these very much based on we take for granted. Basic human nature is good. Basic human nature is bad. Then freedom means kill, bully. Nobody say that is freedom. Freedom means something positive. So all these concepts very much based on take for granted basic human nature is more compassionate. Now scientists, through their experiment, they sort of confirmed basic human nature is more compassionate. Then freedom, very good. The social, the ancient social system, feudal system, leader control. Then human nature, take for granted, nice. Then freedom. And country must rule by people. So democratic system is the best system in order to utilize, govern the country by people, not just a few individuals. So all these very much related with we take for granted basic human nature is positive. If basic human nature is always harming each other, then there is no room of freedom, freedom to kill. Nobody say that.
We're almost at a
Or freedom of lie. No.
I want to ask you because you're I want to make sure you get a chance to speak after your beautiful songs. Authenticity seems to be something that's very connected to you and your work. What do you have to say, and also to His Holiness?
Well, authenticity is really about finding out what's going on inside yourself. And sometimes it's something that's really positive, and sometimes it's something you might not want to look at. And that's where the best art comes out of. I came up through an experience of art in activism and street level and grassroots activism and civil rights, environmental movement, and no nukes movement, the Whole Foods movement. And what I found is that people for decades, they get involved in being activists. And as time goes on, they tire and they wear out. And sometimes they become unhappy and they become disgruntled and they quit. And my question to you, Your Holiness, is how do we combat that? How do we stay focused? How do we stay happy? How do we keep our eyes on the prize? How do we work in this country to, create relations between races, and not feel so frustrated with our governmental leaders every day so that we just end up quitting and dropping out? How do we stay focused on the prize and the way that you've done for your 80 years?
Mainly awareness. So I think human sort of I think a unique ability is very much related with our brain, our sort of intelligence. So awareness, the first level, awareness, yes, loving kindness is good. You heard, you read, you have some kind of understanding, the first level. Then that's not very effective. Then analyze about these, your understanding. Then you should look other or compassionate person, very angry person, their mental state, their physical health, their family life, and everything. You judge, analyze. Then that first level of awareness or understanding, just we call through hearing. That then reach second level of understanding. That is more conviction. You analyze thoroughly. So then bring conviction. More effect our mind. Then further get used that, familiarize. Then that sort of conviction become stronger. Then that truly become part of your life. So these, as I mentioned earlier, destructive emotion, more or less spontaneous. No reason, no need of training. Constructive emotion need training, use reason, familiarize. So, in a way, we cultivate. Destructive emotion, not necessarily cultivate. You see, most of now this is according Buddhist psychology, actually ancient Indian psychology. You see, through training, through reasoning, then these constructive emotion become stronger. Then fundamental level, constructive emotion very much based on valid reason. So we can training. Destructive emotion, no, not based on valid, but ignorance. So there's no point, you see, to train. Simply, you see, it becomes familiar unless we pay some understanding, or through or sort of pay attention, some understanding, the opposite side of emotion. Then see the value of these things. Then familiarize that. That's the training of mind. Then the strength of these positive emotion, constructive emotion, gain more strength. Automatically, the destructive emotion reduce. Like that. So usually I call hygiene of physical, hygiene of emotion. Like that. So these media people, artists, you have certain profession, which basically is something like medium. So your own different medium. And through that way, you can send some message to the audience. I think initially, audience who are not familiar with these things may feel sleep. Doesn't matter. You continue. Then gradually, if the audience or may say, oh, this is something. There is something. Some message, some positive message. I think they also way of thinking, way of life. You see, not, I think, although we call the civilized sort of community, civilized what? Civilized society. But in certain level, we are not much civilized. So, you see, the other day, one my friend, you see, expressed to me, there's some sort of teaching or advice over 2,000 years. You see, some of these sort of teaching which taught 2,000 years ago, you see, these may not be relevant to today's world. Then I told, no. Modernization, you see, means external buildings or this hall or this technology. You see, these are the change, the progress. So that is modernization. But internal emotion, you see, no differences. Today's human beings' emotion and 2,000 years sort of it goes through people's emotion, more or less same. So some of these methods to tackle destructive emotion are still relevant to today's world. Now important thing is, you see, these now scientists, through their the investigation and use different sort of instrument, they begin to feel the peace of mind is a very important factor for good health. And then also, some I think they really experienced scientists. When we develop anger, the object appears very much sort of very much negative. But that negativeness, 90% of that negativeness is mental projection. Now here, now like quantum physics say nothing independently exists. Nothing objectively exists. If we analyze, we cannot find anything. So, because of the deduction survey,
When you dissect,
we can't find. So there is no independently exist object. So this antidote, when anger develop, things independently exist. Most of these negative, destructive emotion need target, such as anger. We need anger, unknown people, anger. Maybe some cases, I think a person who really feel angry towards entire humanity, I don't think. Because anger need particular target. This community, this person. Compassion towards entire sentient being, you can develop compassion. No need independent particular target. So this, you see, there are a lot of things, you see, to analyze, to investigate the system of our emotion. So we need, in order to take hygiene of emotion, it is highly necessary to know the I usually call map of emotion, map of mind. The fuller sort of, I mean, you get picture, the fuller picture of world of emotion, then much easier to tackle this destructive emotion. Like that. So what do you think? Some sense or no sense? Thank you. Goodbye. No. Okay. Yeah. I think, hopefully, this moment we made some kind of, so to say, commitment. Now, rest of our life, we should carry this commitment. Commitment, promotion of harmony on the basis of sense of oneness of humanity. Okay. I do my best till my death. My brothers, sisters, also, please keep this commitment in your mind till your death. Thank you.
Purple him besen omche ma pretty him boy che ma purple him besen omche ma pretty him boy che she ma purple him besen omche ma pretty him boy